Hello everyone, it's Amanda from scrimpymummy.co.uk. I'm just coming to quickly give a quick tip for anybody who has purchased a cheaper light tent off eBay or Amazon like I did. I do lots and lots of photographs, so I need a light box because the light in my craft room is rubbish. And the best ones on the market apparently are the Folio, but they are hundreds and hundreds of pounds, and I couldn't quite stretch to that, so I found this one, which is quite a large one. I think it's a 40 centimetre, because the smaller ones are very small, and I paid something like £25–30 for it on eBay. It was very inexpensive. However, you know, you do get what you pay for, and when you buy cheap, you get cheap. So it came, and it's a bit flimsy, and it's held on by these magnetic discs at the side. It collapses, it's rubbish, it's pants, okay? I will be asking for one of the branded ones for my upcoming birthday. The wire that attaches is a USB wire. That's a bit flimsy, I'm going to have to replace that. But it does work, and I'm just coming to show you how I've adapted it. So if you've bought one of these and they're a little bit rubbish, I'm just going to give you 2 quick tips of how to make them work for you. As I said, they're attached at the side there by 3 magnetic discs. They're lined up very poorly because, you know, it's obviously been manufactured in China. It's been made on a shoestring, so it's a bit rubbish. And so what I've done is, where those magnets go, I have added this, which is self-adhesive hook and loop tape. So, you know, it's, you know, Velcro. So I've cut it to size, and I have added that to the other side of the magnetic discs. So now that holds in place, but also I can still, you know, collapse it and put it in its bag, because it does come in a nice cloth bag. You know, it's okay. And the other thing that I've added is this background. A very stark plain white background it can sometimes be a little bit, you know, it can be a bit blah unless you're awesome at shooting photographs and you've got a very, very high quality camera. I just take mine on my phone. I don't have a fancy camera, and so the white background can look a bit rubbish. So what I've done is I've added some of this lace mesh. It's quite inexpensive. It's like stiff lace, but it is see-through, so it's still white. And what I've done is I've just attached it at the top there, and also if I just carefully zoom down, there's like a lip, and I've attached it there and cut it to size, and I've just attached it with masking tape, like, you know, like you use when you're decorating, so that I can remove it without damaging the frame, because it's plastic. I don't want to damage it, so I didn't want to use like hot glue or anything like that, or anything too abrasive. And if I want to change my background, I can. So I just thought I'd come and share that tip for anybody who has purchased one of these. And it's very, very frustrating because you can be in the middle of photographing and it will collapse. So there you go, the hook and loop tape. I bought this locally. I will tell you, I did buy it in the range. Anybody that wants to go get some, I have seen it in the pound shop, and it was £1, and you get a lot, lots and lots in there, and I use it for all of my crafting, and it's worked. That is held sturdy as anything. It does come apart. I can still collapse it. So there's a tip for you if, like me, you have bought a cheapo light tent. But you know, we can make it work. Small adaptation, and we've saved ourselves a lot of money. All right then. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Bye.